Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be studying the area of rectangles and parallelograms. These can be used 6, 7, 8 to 9 graders and more. The difference between rectangles and parallelograms is the quadrilateral. If it's a polygon, has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. There are various types of quadrilaterals and parallelograms and rectangles, and both quadrilaterals. To understand the difference of a rectangle and a parallelogram is very simple. This is a parallelogram, part of my drawings, and we're gonna be kind of working with some equations right now. So it's 3 feet, which is the height, the inside, and my base is gonna be 7.5. How are we going to figure out this, guys? It's very simple. As we already know the lengths and sides of the diagonal of a rectangle and a parallelogram can be used them to find the area and perimeter. And the formula is very simple. Okay. The H is the height and the B is the base in this case, guys. So how are we gonna figure this out? I'm gonna start by doing my numbers, and we're gonna do height times base. A equals to 7.5 times 3. And how are we gonna figure this out? Very simple. We're gonna do the multiplication of 7.5 times 3, right? And 5. This is an ugly X. Let me fix it because it can get confused. So 7.5 times 3, again, ugly. 5 times 3, 15, 1 remainder. 3 times 7, 21 plus 1 is 22. So my answer is A equals to 22.5 feet. Very simple. I'm going to be working on the second one. We're going to find the area of the figure. We're going to do a rectangle. I'm going to do 2m as the height. And I'm going to do 3.4. Actually, it's not 3.4, is I'm going to do the right expression. It is 3/4. So this is the base, this is the height. So I'm going to start by doing my equation correctly, guys. So A equals base times height, right? So A is equals to 3/4 times 12. Let me do it right. Okay. Is times, or we can use the parentheses, 12, okay? And if we regroup our numbers, it will be 3/4 times 12. There is nothing on 12, so we're going to be use 1. And very simple, we're going to do our division. Because 3 times 12, 36. So after we do this, we're going to divide it to find the result. So it is 4 times 9, 36. 36 minus 36 equals 40. So my answer is A equals to 9m/2. This is very simple, guys. I want you to keep something in mind. We must understand the difference between a rectangle and parallelogram for us to do our right equations. It's very simple. We need to find out the values on what they're asking us on. So this is all for today. My name is Iris Torres. Contact me if you happen to need more information. Take care of yourself.